What is up? What is up, YouTube? Welcome to another episode of Trucking by Night. As you can see, we are out of the truck tonight. I just want to show you guys, you don't always have to be limited to the truck. There's so many rideshare apps, Uber, Lyft, so many different things like that out here, guys. Get out, experience the world. Right now, we're actually at one of my favorite restaurants in LA. It's called The Boiling Pot. It's actually, technically, it's in Ontario, California. But I'm gonna show you a little bit about what it is, how it works. It's called Shabu Shabu. So let's dive right in and I'll show you what it is.
I'm gonna keep on running. I'm gonna fight till I get to the top. With every step I know that I'm not gonna stop. You leave the 99 to find the one every time. Before I spoke a word, yeah. Before I spoke a word, you were singing over me, and you have been so, so good to me. Yes, you have, yes, you have. For I took a breath, you breathed your life in me. You have been so, so kind. Come on, every voice lift it all.